From Sacramento lights to St. Paul, snow chrome pipes rumbling down the interstate roads. Hmong boys flexing in that candy-rich shine, working overtime just to stunt one night. Factory hands, warehouse backs sore, clocking graveyard shifts behind closed doors. But Friday night they become somebody else. Corvette keys flash louder than oil. From Fresno streets to Wisconsin rain, convoys flying through the fast lane. North Carolina coastlines hear that roar. Hmong Corvettes lined up by the shore. Instagram lights, champagne dreams, living bigger than it really seems. Some got dead, but nobody cares, long as the cameras catch that glare. Corvette dreams on the highway glow, flashing through America, coast to coast. Blue-collar souls with a superstar face, trying to outrun struggle in a fast-paced race. From California sunshine to Minnesota ice, working class hearts living rich for the night. Chrome reflections hide the pain unseen. Everybody kings inside Corvette dreams. Corvette dreams and Corvette dreams. Oh, gas station crowds when the engines scream. Young kids stare like they movie scenes. Convoys parked outside Hmong New Year fairs, matching jackets, chains, designer wear. Most ain't doctors, lawyers, CEOs, but they move like millionaires in the videos. Some still rent and some barely survive, but that Corvette makes them feel alive. Weddings, parties, festivals, bright headlights glowing through the summer nights. Community pride mixed with vanity too, still representing red, white, black, and blue. Maybe it ain't about being rich, maybe it's healing what poverty did. Children of refugees born from pain, now they chase freedom in the American lane. Their fathers crossed rivers with nothing to hold, now sons drive horsepower wrapped in gold. From jungle trails to Corvette wheels, that's a different kind of American dream. Oh, Corvette dreams on the highway glow, Hmong flags fly wherever they go. From Wisconsin roads to Carolina nights, they cruise together underneath neon lights, flashing lifestyles, engines loud, trying to make the people proud. Working class roots, but they stand supreme, living life fast inside Corvette dreams. Chrome reflections under city lights, convoys rolling deep through the night. Not born wealthy, still they shine. I'm on Corvette dreams.